Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So in this SQL interview question series, we are going to see another very important SQL question. So this question has been asked in the multiple interviews like data engineering, SQL developer, data scientist, and data analyst role as well. So in this question, like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, CTS, PwC, KPMG, EY, EPAM, and other and Tiger Analytics and Fractal, all those companies this question has been asked. So let's see the question first, and then I will try to the explain the question, and then we will try to solve this problem. So find top three employee by salary on each department. So department name as well. So this is a question. So let's see the tables we have. So we have a department table, we have a employee table, and then expected output. So in the department table, we have a department ID and department name. We have a two columns. In the employee table, we have a employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary. So yeah, we have the data sample data as well. So the expected output is, so we need to find out the top three employee on each department. So let's explain the question first. So if you see the department ID 100, so we have Alice, his salary is 1,20,000. Bob, his salary is 1,20,000. Charlie's, he is from same department. He's earning around 1,10,000. David is in same 100 department ID, and he's earning around 1 lakh. And he is earning 90,000 in the department ID of 100. Now we need to find out top three employees. If it's duplicate, if it's he is getting the same salary, then we need to show that record as well. So for this case, we need to show in the for the department ID 100, we need to show four records because these are the top three records. If you see the output, we are getting the top four records. If you see for department 200, so we need to get the top three records. Say for example, based on the salary, he is 95,000 is the first salary, 90,000 is the second salary, 85,000 is the third salary. So we need to pick top three employees. So and salaries and department name as well. So as per like that, we need to find out each department. We need to find out the top three salary on each department and show the department name as well. If you see the output, so we need to get the output like this. This is the expected output. Okay, so let's go to the online tool and then we will try to solve this problem. So I have already created the department table and employee table. I have inserted the data. So for you, so I have gave the query in the command box. If you check it in the command box, you will able to find the query for creating the table and inserting the data into the table. So you can use that query for your use case. So for if you want to do practice on your own, just use that query to you are able to create the tables. So let's go to the online editor tool and then we'll try to solve the problem. So before solving that problem, you have to think in the SQL way how we can able to solve this problem. So the first thing is we need to find out the top three employee in each department. So how we can able to solve this problem? If you use Windows function, so we can able to solve this problem easily, right? So or we have to use subquery. So now because in Windows function it's easy to understand and also easy, it's a query performance will be higher compared to the faster compared to the subquery. So in this video, we are going to see how we can able to use Windows function to solve this problem. So in this problem, we have to find use the dense rank, right? So dense rank only, it won't skip the rank number. If you use just rank, it will skip the number. So we don't want to skip the number. So we want to see the values as well. So because we want to see if it has a duplicate records, we want to show that record as well. So and also we need to find out the top three employees from the table. So it's a best suitable cases dense rank. And if you use partition by the department ID, and if you order the data based on the salary in the descending, so if you give the rank and then if you filter the rank less than or equal to 3, so we will get that required output. So after that, we need to get the employee department name as well, right? So if you use inner join, so we will get the department name as well. So yeah, we are going to solve in that way. So let's try to solve in the by writing the query. So we are going to use dense rank, right? So dense rank open bracket over, and we need to partition by department ID, right? Because we need each department, we need to find out the top three employee on order by based on the order we need to give the rank. So based on the salary, because we need to give descending, the top salary will come in first, highest salary will come in the first. So yeah, in as a rank, I'm giving the column name. So if you use CTE, so what is the CTE? It's a common table expression. Just it will store the data in the while running the query. So I will create a CTE. So what is the syntax? With you can give any name and as open bracket and close the bracket with the query. And if you want to select the records, so we have to use select char from CTE. So if you run the query, we will get the rank number for based on the salary in the descending order for each department, right? So now we need to filter these records to get the uh, top three records, right? So we can use rank less than or equal to 3. So that's the thing. So if you run the query, so we got the result. Now we need to get the department ID as well. Sorry, department name as well. We are getting department ID. We need to get the department name. So we can get the department name from the department table, right? So then if you use joins, so we are naming as a table E, and because it's employee table. So based on that, inner join, so with department as D, so on what condition? So on what condition? So employee dot department ID equal to department ID, right? So yeah. So if you run the query, so we got the result, right? So we got the department name as well, right? So now, so we don't want to see the rank, and right, we are getting a department ID twice. So we will select required column now, E dot ID, comma E dot employee in name, comma E dot department ID, comma D dot department name, department name, comma E dot salary. So yeah, if you run the query, we got the result. So what we got to top three employee in each department. If you see the output and if you check the Excel file, so both results are same. So as per our Excel file, we solve the problem. So let me explain one more time how we solve this problem. So we use dense rank. So partition by the department ID and order by the salary. So we have created the temporary CTE. So in this, from the CTE, we have joined the table with department because we need to get the department name. After that, we are filtering the records less than or equal to 3, because we need a top 3 employee from the table, right? So if it's the same that it has been asked, you need to find out the top 2 employee from each department, then you just less than, if you specify in the rank less than or equal to 2, so we can able to solve this problem. So yeah, if you attend any other interviews, so any companies, so if you have faced any SQL interviews question, just you can post me in the comment box. I will try to solve in the next question, next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.